Good afternoon. 24 November 23 Friday. बाबा निहाल सिंह, बाबा हरनाम सिंह तलन शहीदां दा स्थान आई prayer. Where is Baba Menga? He said the 2024 nuclear start, they are all burned in the dark. I prayer this one. 99 I buy the jungle over there, black people live. Now in the everything electronic system, message, movie, everything electronic, world is change. That's why I am prayer Baba Nihal Singh. God show him on power. Where is the Atwad in the United States? Where we I am live now in South Plainfield. One family, you put it on surveillance with him, go my house activity. You little thing change, they know him, they make the movie. Now this one Pinto company going is the honest man. Now in the Canada border, they have car blast. FBI, they piece to piece, they search over there. How can we make the car flying bomb like that? I lot of send them message, mail over there, FBI department. He said, I don't know nothing. Now you hear that people, I don't know, his bear is making the department in the United States. You sitting in the table, they make your movie, they send him, they surprise, he is sleeping in the chair over there. That man, I don't know how can we making in the department in the United States. Everything video surveillance system. You hear that man in South Plainfield, take in the Niagara Fall, search over there where the car coming, which material they use. Sometime Jaswinder Binglia, he go to the South Plainfield township. These people, they buy electronic with him bother. He said your phone was no good. Make the attorney need $7,500. Then they stop. Where is United States government? Crime grow up in the world history. Indian Sikh PM Manmohan Singh, his daughter, she making 10-seater land, Somerset, Franklin Township, deed over there, Sasi Kant. Where his signature after call, search him. Electronic with him. How many they are gangster, they make the deed. After gangster, they are attack over there. South Plainfield Township has a how many gangster in crime grow up Pinglia brother engaged. They have murder crime people coming over there. In Mayor Manhattan, Adam Eric, he has in 99, they have sex scandal case, is the mayor now. How much he got the corruption money? How much FBI department, what they are doing, they are sleeping, then they mayor now. She said, nobody Warren. We are Prince family, Upinder said. Prince family, Harry and William. How many in Afghanistan they have Muslim people, they kill him by jet with him. Barack Obama, how many Muslim people, Iraq, Libya, Afghanistan, they kill him calculator by computer. George W. Bush, how many Muslim people they kill him? Pinglia brother, where they kill him, they have no movie. Crime, United States grow up. This jacket, I put it on, every day go to the port. They are federal department, FBI, drug department over there. I have a lot of patient, that's why I never bad work. See this one? Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Ram Singh, Tallan Shahidan da Asthan, 2024. They all country start the nuclear. Dark. Then Atwadi Sabreen with him go in the water. How many people has a electronic, they show him Sabreen go to water. Barack Obama, he on history writer down on family. That time no mayor, no politics. They are poor life. Now how can we make the rich? Crime with him. Manmohan Singh has a how much corruption money? Everything electronic. San Singh Jadwal drugger, bankruptcy man. He has how much corruption money? We have little business. They South Plainfield township, they shut down. They never give me truck trailer parking. How many governor in New Jersey move? They have corruption money. Franklin Township, they have corruption money. Somerville Court has a how much corruption money? Everything electronic. New Brunswick Court has a how much corruption money? Each person, he need corruption money, no need work. We are hard work, three brother. You put it on my name, Atwadi. Atwadi has a gun, Atwadi has a warehouse. India government, how many Atwadi in Diwali Laddu in White House going over there? How much they corruption money they collect over there? Hotel, motel, electronic, yeah, grocery man coming over there, businessman, they give to him a lot of donation, cash money. Who people they have, Diwali with him, White House, they take the corruption. Search him, they have video system, they have White House, Barack Obama, they catch him, sex scandal people, they are walking over there. You have sex in the shoulder in the United States. You crime, world history grow up. How many India has a corruption money? Maharaja Patiala, sex scandal family, 88 children, one man. 300 ladies, they British people go over there. Sex he need. Prakash Singh Badal, every movement they have corruption money, they give to the corruption egg. 1 mint, they give to him the how many egg in the corruption with him. Chamkaur Sahib, they have canal over there. They have Daton tree, Khanjur tree, they hotel, motel, they put it on the front, they take stolen. Stolen India has a habits. Crime grow up in Indian people in this country and India. Please resolve my case. This is bad luck, bad time coming in the United States. I thanks God where is the sun? I need the nuclear in start this country. Yeah, how many countries they start the nuclear? No need sun, they make the dark. In I have lot of patient, that's why I never bad work. Somerville court has a no knowledge. Apendra Shavkola with him, Democrat Party. Democrat Mendaj Atwadi. He has how much corruption money? After he said, I don't know nothing. In this property, TV channel, sex scandal, they get in the always news. In Nagra Fall, there are nobody coming this property with him news. I don't know who is the stop. They never give to him the news. Cat running, dog running, they give to him the news. They Israel, children crying, then they have White House sound over there coming. God show him power. Now in the Israel they stop. Ukrainian war they have running continues. Now you start Taiwan Flusi war over there in the Taiwan. Please, God they give to him the power in this country on his self. They have animal power. They break down the own country. Bronze, they give to him the homeless people food over there. How can we making your life homeless? Politics, they make a homeless. They give to him the rental house, rental car they give him. They give to him the money after he the homeless coming. Crime, you people, politics grow up. Anywhere, any court judge, any federal court, lower court, high court, use my video. 128 country. I never bad work. Amarjeet Singh Jaswal. They need this property free. Luggage stolen in the airport. X-ray change in the Brooklyn hospital. My father killed him. $900,000 stolen. George W. Bush time, where is the gang in the Washington Mutual Bank? You have lot of gangster, electronic with him, surveillance, activity with him. You crime, grow up, take this man, that kid, take in the Nagra Fall. They search him, they making video, how can we car go over there? They need money, $7,500. Take the attorney. In that town has a corner over there. They put it on the $2,500 lien. Judge he get money. They pay money after they put it on the lien in South Plainfield Township. Terrorism in United States, town to town, drug crime. Now you kill him. Who got the corruption money? Like Saddam Hussein, Gaddafi, and Bin Laden, like kill him. You kill him, corruption money with him. Where is a drug in United States coming? Thank you, bye. This is bad luck, bad time coming. Please resolve my case. How much this one in this property has a value? How many private president in police officer, sheriff, police, fire department, they involve this property. You people, when you see the toilet, they fell down, ladies, in your United States history. You have never standard, that's way you each country with him war. How many corruption money in the White House? They are sex scandal walking over there. Drug. Joe Biden has a son. Drug. taxpayer money, something they talking, they are clean. Nobody touch him, he the president. President Trump has a history, nobody touch. Manmohan Singh has a daughter, nobody touch. They many people send them murder people. Everything. Mark Whitestone, Supreme Court judge. I don't know who making Prime Minister President. They are judge over there. Here, this property within involved is a standard. In your standard bad blood. जात पात खत्म लेके इंडिया ऑन बेनिफिट हिंदू 40% रिजर्वेशन नरेंद्र मोदी ऑन हिज सेल्फ फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑन हिस्ट्री हाउ मच ही हैज करप्शन मनी राइट नाउ हाउ मैनी हैज इनकम सोर्सेज माई इनकम सोर्सेज इंडिया गवर्नमेंट दे शट डाउन एंड अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट that's why I need start the nuclear war everything they have dark. Thank you, bye. This is resolve my case. This is bad luck very soon coming. See this one, that's why I am Baba Nihal Singh, Baba Arnam Singh. Tallan Shahidan da Asthan make the dark in this country. I never bad work in Franklin Township. Atwadi, they lot of attack police over there too. They give to him the lot of ticket, they get the commission. Thank you, bye. Please. In this garage, man, how many people they have working? We are little working here. They make the narc pingle brother life. I don't know how can we making in this country Prime Minister President. They are drugger, stolen man, bankruptcy man. Like Atwadi, more than bad in Afghanistan people. They run the country. You are very bad people in this country born. Thank you, bye. God, I don't know my life who making this one. Manmohan Singh, Sikh Atwadi, they making my family destroy. It's a very dangerous blood. I don't know who making the president in this one. PM Manmohan Singh and San Singh Chadwal is a very dangerous man. Now you people who making crime, send them on country. Then no more crime. Bankruptcy man. How many grocery container coming in Atwadi, send them India. You people making Diwali with him, White House, they give to him the corruption money. How much he got the corruption money, FBI and Joe Biden, they have movie. Give to him corruption money after you prayer in the White House. Thank you. See this one, in H-Wood has a income sources. Stillo has a income sources. In garage, construction company has a income sources. My income sources, in that bad town, bad country they shut down. This is bad luck, bad birth in this country coming. They are strange blood born in this country. They migrated down name Atwadi. Nonsense, mental, born in this country. They give to him the animal power. They breed on in United States own country. I never bad work. I never say nothing. You people. Mayor, governor making sex scandal people. How much get the corruption money? FBI Atwadi. Thank you. There is Judge John Robert has a corruption money. Robert S. Mueller Atwadi has a corruption money.